Did your Dell laptop power on but refuse to go past the Dell logo screen? This issue can be frustrating because the computer appears to start normally, yet Windows never loads. In many cases, the problem is caused by temporary startup errors, external devices, or corrupted system files rather than a serious hardware failure. In many situations, a Dell laptop stuck on the Dell logo can be resolved without replacing any components. Before assuming the laptop is permanently damaged or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal startup functionality. 1. Turn off the laptop completely and disconnect all USB devices, memory cards, and accessories. 2. Press and hold the power button for several seconds to discharge residual power. 3. Restart the laptop and attempt to access the boot or diagnostic menu. 4. Run the built-in hardware diagnostics to check for any detected issues. 5. Restart the system again and verify that Windows loads beyond the Dell logo screen.